In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Zoho. Whether you're using Zoho for personal use or for managing business communications, being able to navigate the platform in your preferred language can significantly enhance your user experience. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your web browser and go to Zoho Mail. This is where we'll initiate the process of changing the language settings. Once you've navigated to Zoho Mail, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the settings icon, which is typically represented by a cogwheel. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the settings menu. Within the settings menu, you'll find a variety of options to customize your Zoho experience. What you're looking for is this system settings, which is an essential area for making significant alterations to your Zoho preference settings. Click on the System option. After accessing the system settings, the next thing you need to do is locate the Display Language option. This is where you can choose which language you would prefer Zoho to use in displaying all its text and instructions. Take a moment to find this section, as it's typically listed under Display Preferences. Now, with the display language settings at your fingertips, you'll notice a drop-down menu or a list. This provides a variety of languages that Zoho supports. If you already know which language you'd like to switch to, you can scroll through and simply select it from the list. If not, no worries. The language options are quite extensive, so you're likely to find the one that suits you best. Once you've chosen a language from the list, make sure to search or confirm that it's your preferred choice. After selecting your preferred language, Zoho may need a moment to apply the changes. It's important here to ensure that the language is correctly set, as it will impact the entire interface of your Zoho account. Changing the language configuration in Zoho is a simple yet effective way to personalize your experience, making navigation more intuitive and enjoyable. Remember, if you ever need to change the language back or switch to another one, you can follow these same steps. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to change the language in Zoho. By customizing this setting, you're not only tailoring the experience to your liking, but also ensuring you can manage your tasks with ease and clarity. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe or leave a comment below for any questions or additional tips you'd like to share.